For C, more nerdy irregular ER verbs in the present tense. I told you there were many. Audio practice, numbers 11 to 15. Close your eyes. Numéro 11. Je plaisante. Or you could say je rigole. Je plaisante. Or you could say je rigole. I'm joking. Numéro 12. Il ou elle me casse les pieds. Plural this is. Il, plural, or elle, plural. Me casse les pieds. They're bugging me. Literally, they're breaking my feet. Numéro 13. Ça remonte à 3 ans. Ça remonte à 3 ans. It dates back 3 years. Remonter can mean to go back up, but when we're talking about dates, it means to date back. Numéro 14. Plie tes vêtements, s'il te plaît. Plie tes vêtements, s'il te plaît. Fold your clothes, please. If you know the ballet term plier, where you bend the knees, so plier can mean bend or fold. Numéro 15. Tu le renverses. Tu le renverses. You're spilling it. Très bien. De l'anglais en français. Number 11. I'm joking. I'm joking. Je plaisante. Je rigole. You can either say je plaisante or more informally je rigole. Like rigoletto, I'm just having a laugh. Number 12. They're bugging me. Literally, they're breaking my feet. They're bugging me. Literally, they're breaking my feet. Il ou elle me casse les pieds. So an annoying person is a foot breaker. Un casse-pied. Number 13. It dates back 3 years. It dates back 3 years. Literally, it goes back up to 3 years. Back up in time. Ça remonte à 3 ans. Ça remonte à 3 ans. Number 14, addressing to. Fold your clothes, please. Fold your clothes, please. Plie tes vêtements, s'il te plaît. Plie tes vêtements, s'il te plaît. Number 15, addressing to. You're spilling it, with a masculine it. You're spilling it, masculine it, addressing to. Tu le renverses. renverse. Renverser means to spill or to knock over. And the opposite, verser, means to pour. Très bien. I hope your ears are tuning in more and more. Keep at it and they will eventually. Bravo! Au revoir! Mouah, mouah.